Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you that how you can enable dark mode in Google Chrome web browser. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Google Chrome web browser. Now in the search box type in extension. Click on the first URL. Now in the search bar type in dark reader. Click on the first extension. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Alright, so the extension has been installed. Now let's test it. Here you go, the extension is finally working. Now if you want to disable the dark reader extension, then click here, pin this. Now click on the dark reader extension and click on the off button. Now if you want to disable the dark reader extension for a specific website, then click here. Here you go. And that's it. That's how you enable dark mode for your Google Chrome web browser. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you guys in the next video.